Hello everyone. Today I'm going to brief you about three new different kinds of noun which I think I missed out in my last videos, where I've explained you different kinds of nouns. Maybe I've explained you abstract noun, but definitely I'm sure I did not explain you about concrete nouns and compound nouns. So with concrete and compound nouns, I'm going to revise about abstract nouns, because many of my students, they have informed me that they have still some confusion about abstract nouns, how to recognize them. So in the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to recognize, how to circle abstract noun, concrete nouns, and what are actually compound nouns. So first, let me tell you what are concrete nouns. Concrete nouns are the names of those objects and things that you can see, touch, and feel. Okay, for example, tree, mangoes, then glass, laptops, mobiles, or any object, any such object that you can see, touch, and feel are concrete nouns. Whereas abstract nouns are actually just the opposite of concrete nouns, because we can only feel abstract noun, but we cannot see or touch them. For example, actually abstract nouns are feeling, it's expressions, they are expressions. So feeling of anger, joy, sorrow, denial, acceptance, bravery, wisdom, so all these are feelings, okay, they are expressions. So they are abstract nouns, but you cannot see and touch them. Now, what are compound nouns? Sorry, okay, I was just about to say countable and uncountable noun. So compound nouns are actually the noun which comprises of two words together. Okay, if you break them to the individual part, they itself form a single word. For example, hairpin. So hairpin is a compound noun, because if you break hairpin into two parts, then hair is individually a word and pin is another word. So we combine these two nouns to form a different noun, third noun, which is known as compound nouns. Now bookworm. Bookworm, here book is an individual word and worm is another individual word. We combine both of them and we form a new word, that is bookworm. Then tablecloth. So table is an individual word and cloth is another word. So we combine them to form a compound nouns. So I hope I have made you basic clear about, I've given you concept about this concrete nouns, compound nouns, and abstract nouns. But still, I'm showing you a few examples where I'll circle these nouns individually and will show you how to recognize, identify these nouns if a sentence is given to you. Okay, so let's start. So here I'm going to circle the nouns and mention its kind. So number first sentence is Noor Jahan was famous for her beauty. So here Noor Jahan is a noun and it is a proper noun. I'm just revising nouns. Now, was famous for her beauty. So beauty is a name of a feeling, which you can feel that she is beautiful. You cannot see or touch. So this is abstract noun. Now the second sentence is I read the newspaper in the morning. So here the newspaper is a noun, and as you can see, news is an individual word plus paper is an individual word. So both of that makes newspaper, and so it is a compound noun. Okay. In the third sentence, it is Gandhiji believed in truth and non-violence. So Gandhiji, it's a proper noun, as we all know, and truth and non-violence are the two feeling. Truth also we can feel and non-violence also we can feel. We cannot see or touch. So both of them are concrete abstract noun. Okay. Now the magician stood under the spotlight. So magician is a common noun because it is not the name of a specific person, and spotlight is a compound noun because again it is made up of two words, that is spot and light. Okay. Now Farida bought a beautiful handbag for herself. So Farida is a proper noun because it is a name of a particular person, and handbag is a compound noun because it is made up of two words, that is hand plus bag. Now the girl filled her bucket with water. So the Girl is a common noun because it is not a specific name of a particular person. And bucket also we can see and touch, and water also we can see and touch. So both of these nouns are concrete nouns, okay? Because these two objects we can see and touch. Now the little boy jumped with happiness. So boy is a common noun and happiness is an abstract noun because we can only feel. Aman climbed the tree to pluck mangoes. So Aman is a proper noun. It is the name of a particular person. Tree we can see and touch. So it is concrete noun. And mangoes we can see and touch. So it is concrete noun. My mother took away the matchbox. So mother is a common noun, whereas matchbox is a compound noun because it is made up of two words, that is match plus box. So